You can enter a calorie deficit by not consuming as many calories as you need to maintain your body weight during the course of the day or week. Over time, this leads to weight loss. But what really is a calorie deficit? How do you achieve it? One extremely effective way to do that is to drink plenty of water, as in liters of it a day. Stay tuned to know more about this and the rest. Before we move on, a like would be awesome. Calorie deficit, a quick overview. A calorie deficit is the number of calories the body burns than it is taking in. For instance, if you consume 2,500 calories and burn 2,700 calories every day, then the 200 difference would be your calorie deficit per day. Quick ways to achieve calorie deficit. Number 1, drink 3 liters of water a day. Water has 0 calories, but so does diet soda. Yet how come water is always the better choice? It's simple. Water helps with some side effects that you might experience when you enter a calorie deficit. Being on a low-calorie diet can cause hunger as well as slightly low energy levels. But if you stay hydrated, it'll help assuage your hunger and also give you energy. You might think 3 liters are too much for a day, but it's really not. Simply work your way by adding 500 milliliters of water a day until you hit the 3-liter mark. Number 2, eat nutrient-rich, low-calorie foods. A quick way of creating a calorie deficit is to change what you eat and drink each day. The golden rule is to focus on foods that are rich in nutrients but low in calories. The kinds of foods that meet this criterion are as follows. Vegetables: dark green, orange, red, starchy, and other veggies. Grains, at least half should be whole grains. Proteins such as lean meats, eggs, legumes, nuts, and seafood. Fruits, ideally whole fruits. Low-fat or fat-free dairy like milk, cheese, or yogurt. Healthful oils such as olive oil and canola oil. Increasing your daily activities as well as your exercise is another fast way to burn calories and lose weight. Here's how. Number 3, move and exercise more. By moving more, it can mean doing gardening, using the stairs at work instead of riding the elevator, or parking the farthest away at the grocery store. In addition to that, aim for 4 days a week of exercise. You will be building muscles, which also helps burn more calories at rest. Losing weight doesn't have to be strictly eating fewer foods. In reality, you can have as many foods as you can so long as such foods are low in calories. And so, with that in mind, click here to know what foods you can indulge in because of their super low calorie content.